name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. We try to give you valuable information so that you can make an informed decision on the companies that we do reviews on and the products that we do reviews on. So you can make an informed decision if you are interested in a product that this company sells or if you're interested in a business opportunity. All of the products and companies that I do reviews on, I am not an affiliate or connected to. I just give an overall review on these companies so that you can make an informed decision. It is said that knowledge is power, but remember, knowledge is only powerful when you apply that knowledge. So let's take this journey together because you and I still believe that we have dreams that we both want to accomplish. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's review. The company that we will be doing a review on today is a company called Monat. Right now we are on Monat's corporate website. It is a very interesting and beautiful website. It has a lot of information. Now, the Monat company was started in 2014. Their headquarters are in Florida. The CEO and founders of Monat is Ray and Louis Ordonte. Monat is a MLM beauty and wellness network marketing company, and they market premium hair and skincare products. So right now we're here on their website, and as you see, it's you have information about their business opportunity. So if you're interested in learning about their business opportunity, you can click here. If you're interested in being a customer and buying their products, you can click here. Right here is a overview of their products. As I said, there are hair and skincare products, so they have a lot of information here about their products. Here they have all kind of information about their events around the world that they have to market their product and business opportunity. And if you would like to know more about Monat, their founders, their company, you can click this link right here. What we'd like to do now is show you a little bit about their skincare products and hair care products. They have their flagship product is the restructuring hair care product. Also they have the wash and conditioner. They have the shampoo. You see their prices range from $39, $49, $65, $75. So they have from low end to up to $30 some dollars up to $75 for their initial hair care products. So this right here tells you if you're interested in learning more about their skincare and hair care products, please visit this website. And also at the end of my video in the description section, I will leave links to every site that we talked about in this video. Now this right here was the overview of some of their products, and like I said, visit their website to learn more about their products. Now, if you're interested in looking at Monat as a business opportunity, there's a couple different ways that you can join their company. You can start off with $99, and that includes their starter kit. Now with their starter kit, you won't be able to get any products, but you'll be able to start marketing the Monat line to try to build up to being able to purchase products. And this is one way that you can start selling Monat. Now they also offer you at this level a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Also, they have a $199 pack where you're getting training brochures, you're getting product, and you're getting more information than that basic pack that to be able to start your business. Now, besides the $99 pack, this right here is a complete overview of the different packs that you can buy to start your business. It all depends what level you feel comfortable in. If you're looking at this company as a business opportunity, they have packs that range from $199, and that's the essential pack. The business pack is $299. The success pack is $399, and the overachiever pack is $649. So these right here are the basic packs that you can opt to join Monat if you're looking at this as a business opportunity. So this right here shows the different products that you get for that price that you decided to join the business. Now remember, when you join a network marketing company with these different levels that you can start, it's basically geared toward where you feel comfortable at financially to invest in your business opportunity. So this is basically standard with MLM companies, that they do have different entry-level packages to join their business. Now, also, if you're interested in taking a serious look at Monat, and like we said, our site is just basically about giving information out to the consumer so you can make a informed decision if this is a company that you would be interested in joining as a business opportunity, or even just buying their products. So with Monat, they've been in business, like I said, since 2014, and it's 2020 now. This is where we pulled up their Better Business Report. And so far, as of 1/8/2020, they've had, since 2014, over 1,016 complaints. So that seems like quite a bit. So I would suggest, if you're looking at either using their products or interested in their business opportunity, that you would also take a look at this Better Business Report. We're also going to leave this in our link section. It ranges from product services to collection issues, problems with the products. Over here, so far with the problems with their products, they've had over 750 complaints. So that's quite a bit of negative feedback on something that you're trying to market to the public and be able to make money. So I would suggest that in the steps of you doing your due diligence, that you would check out this Better Business Report that we're providing. Now, also at this time, we basically give pros and cons on the overview of the company that we're reviewing for you. Now, some of the pros that I see at this point with Monat is that it's a relatively young MLM company. So they said that with MLM companies, in their first 4 to 5 years, is first year to the 5th year is their growth potential, and they rapidly expand. And that's what Monat has done in 3 years. They've expanded to US, Canada, and Europe. Okay, but with the cons, you have to outweigh, does the cons outweigh the pros? Now, with the cons so far on Monat, they've had, since February 2018, they have multiple class action lawsuits. Monat has had 5 class actions lawsuits filed against them for supposed damages caused by their hair products. They have numerous complaints from customers. There are a lot of complaints on the site of the Better Business Bureaus and on YouTube from people using Monat products. There are complaints from the market partners, just like complaints coming from people who use their products. There are numerous complaints from people who claim to have market to have been market partners. Many of these complaints are that they decided this business opportunity wasn't for them. They struggled to reach support to cancel their membership. And it's a long refund periods that it takes you a while to get your refund back from Monat. So if I was looking at this company to either use their products or market their products to make money, this will be something that myself, I would take a little bit more time to investigate, a little bit time to make more of an informed decision, because this is a lot of hurdles to climb in trying to market a product to make money when it has so many negative things out there already. And I don't think that Monat is a scam, but I think it's going through a lot of early growth problems. So this will be something that I would, maybe come back again and look at in a year or so to see how things have been turned around. So with this being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my overview on Monat. I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review on Monat, please give me a thumbs up and a comment, and also click that bell to subscribe to my channel so that you would know when I release my daily videos. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below, because I do respond to all my comments. And if you would like to learn more about my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video. Again, with this being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Again, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. Click my bell icon so you can be notified when I release my daily videos. I'm really trying to provide valuable and informative information in the market for my viewers, and I hope that you'll come back and share, because I'm looking to build a good YouTube channel and reach my 1,000 subscribers. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, take care, and I'll see you on my next review.